Mumbai, Philippines. Namaste, India. Bimbu Koneha Vlogs. Please subscribe to Daddy's channel. I'm excited, Daddy. Thank you.
Hello, good morning
Hello,
everyone.
good morning.
Say
Good morning, Nina. Good morning, chapati.
Today we are going to cook chapati.
Yes.
As too many are comments I read, they requested to prepare chapati. So we are going to plan to prepare chapati. So here is different. Abroad you can buy ready-made flour, but here we are going to do different way because we have fresh grains available here. So from that grain we grind it and do it. So let's see guys how we preparing chapati.
Okay, guys.
As you see, we have wheat grains available here. We preserve this for like a whole year here, so it is a huge quantity. And these, what we do, we take to the grinder.
Local shop.
Local shop. So we take these, and usually Bimbo take here the grains, and they once they are ready they give flour like this. See, so flour is ready here. Okay guys,
So that is the chapati flour.
chapati flour. I will show you the instrument, what instrument we need to cook the chapati. Obviously you need this big pan where you can, like big container where you can just bind up the flour. Obviously you need this roller, you can see this kind of roller, and where you will roll this chapati. If you don't have a roller, so what do you have to do? You can buy something like this hard one, and you can clean the floor and you can roll up on the floor of the kitchen. Okay, we need this pan to roast the chapati, and you need this to hold the chapati. Because I don't have this handle, so I'm using this zippet to just hold the pan. Alright guys, so let's start the recipe now. I will take big pan here and I will stain it because this flour need to be stained. You have stainer like this?
You have.
Yeah. And you stain it.
Why you staining it?
Because sometimes
there
some
is.
grains are there.
Still there.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the chapati flour. You stain it, alright? A little bit oil to make the dough bit soft. And what I do, I put salt as well, so you don't have plain flavor. Okay, I'm going to mix these up nicely.
Okay.
You have to make sure salt and oil is mixed up with nicely and make crumbles. You can see these crumbles. Okay. Now in this flour I will add water. I will add water just to make soft dough. Some are asking we can add milk or no. No, you don't need milk. You need basic water to tie up the dough. Make sure it is not very liquid and not too tight as well. Yeah, you have to make sure it is tight enough so you can roll easily chapati. You will feel when you are binding these up. Okay, putting one side if you have like too much portion.
This is for how many people? What do you think? Can
This
eat?
is four people can eat.
Ah.
Look,
How many cup is this?
sorry,
How many cup?
approximately 3 cups.
3 cup.
You can see it's like, but you have to work hard to make your dough properly. Then only you can make soft chapati. Water according to your flour, because some flours they absorb more water and some need less water. Okay.
So how they will find out if flour needs more water?
When you do like you are binding up, you will find out. Now look, it is bind up, so I know it don't need more water.
Ah.
Yeah, if it form very liquid form, you can add more flour and make it tight, or if it is very tight, you can pour little bit liquid on hand and you can tie up the dough. As you see, this dough is ready now, but what you have to do, put some oil on top of them, so dough don't become very dry. Yes, just oil it as we do for pizza and every dough. You have to apply oil and just let it to be rest. For if you making for regular basis, you can rest your dough for 5 minutes. But if you are preparing sometimes only, then 10-minute rest, because 10 to 15 minute rest is better. Chapati become more soft. Okay guys, so we'll see you with rolling. Once dough is rested for 5 minutes, you need little bit dry flour as well to roll it. Okay, now I will turn on the gas. By the time it is heating up, I will take some portion of dough. It's depend on you guys if you want thin chapati or you want thick chapati. I will show you both thin chapati and thick. Okay,
This is thin.
thin.
Okay.
You have to take less portion, and what you have to do, roll it. If you feel like, take more flour. Yeah, I am rolling like this way only because I am used to, but you can do like this. Just roll side by side and make it round.
This is thin one, yeah?
Thin one. This is thin one ready. Let's see if the pan is heat up. You slow base,
You reduce the
flame. Put the chapati there.
You don't put oil on the
No,
Alright.
you don't have to put oil. Once it is little bit cooked, you have to turn. Don't allow to cook too much. But next side you have to cook like fully cooked, because
This side now.
yes, second side you have to fully cook the chapati, because what I will do, I will roast it on the fire. Okay, I will show you both thing. If you are not comfortable with this, it's alright. Let it to be cooked. You can see, look, fully cooked. Yeah, now what I will do, I will take it. You have to increase the flame and put it on the fire, and make sure it cooks thoroughly. Okay, some people like oil on top of this, some like butter. I'm going to just apply oil on this little bit, and you turn it again.
It's almost cooked now.
It's cooked.
It's cooked.
Just for 1 second for oil to be, you can see nice roasted chapati. Okay guys, this side is fully cooked.
Yes, fully cooked.
And it is very soft. You can see now thick chapati we will prepare. I am taking little bit big one. And I am not roasting this on the fire. You have to make it round, press it down. Yeah, take little bit flour, put it on the roll pan and use the roller. If you're not comfortable, you can just go side by side to roll it. If round shape don't come, don't worry, we can cook in a triangle shape as well. So this is the thick one.
That's
Okay,
it?
guys? Yes. And I will show another one as well. This is thick one. Thick one, little bit flame medium, not slow. So it is cooking on the pan. Let it to be cooked like more than half. I'm going to turn it. You can see the bubbles and everything. Here you don't have to put them straight away on fire. You can cook like this. Apply oil, turn it, and see, you can apply both side oil and turn it.
So it's cooked?
Yes, you have to make sure it is cooked properly. Alright, so it is cooked. You can see both sides. Alright, I am making triangle shape now. As usual, you have to take this dough, take some flour, okay, just roll it little bit. After you roll up, what you have to do, put some oil. Usually this chapati we use for breakfast. Put oil inside, yeah, and little bit dry powder. Sprinkle dry powder, yeah. If you're not comfortable with round shape, you can make triangle, yeah. Now I'm going to roll up this triangle. This is called breakfast parotha. Actually, you can fill up inside as well instead of
What do you
flour.
mean fill up?
Like boiled potato, you have to mash it properly, and you instead of flour, you can put filler inside, roll it in the triangle shape.
Or chicken?
No,
Oh,
you have
chicken.
mince.
Mince, yeah, mince.
Now look, this is called parotha. We usually eat for breakfast. You can make triangle as well as round shape. In this, you have to make sure, because it is thick, you have to make sure it is cooked properly. One side, and then you turn it. Yeah. Medium size flame. See. Now I'm going to apply some oil. We usually eat this with tea. I'm preparing you every day, yeah, thick one. And you apply oil or butter, or some people eat this with cheese as well.
Yeah,
While
cheese,
it is
yeah.
held, Shania is eating with cheese.
Cheese.
It's very yummy if it is hot, very soft. Yes. So
Cheese
this
or
is
jam
jam. Yeah, you can spread jam
or
or
sandwich spread.
sandwich spread or mango chutney, or with these you can make roll as well. Like if your children is westernized, You can make like a roll, vegetable roll or chicken roll. You sprinkle it here, roll it up, apply mayonnaise and give to them. They will feel like, oh, posh.
You mean once it's cooked, you will put the...
Once it is cooked, you can do.
You
Like
can do, and then roll
I
it.
will put some onion,
Vegetable.
like sweet corn, tomatoes, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and you roll it up and give to your child.
For breakfast.
Yes, breakfast or lunch, or you can give to school as well when they are carrying the meal
Like
in the lunch
snacks.
in the like school. Yeah. So
Hello guys, it's time for shoutout na.
time for shout out. Mr. Conrad Karanay, Aljon Reyes, Ocampo family,
General Trias Cavite
Cavite.
from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And this one is happy birthday sa wife niya si Ching Ching from JMITS 25. And Des Droha Vlog, shout out. Happy birthday Kuya Sep ng Makati, August 26. Violeta Bitonio ng Quezon City UP Campus. Si Maricel Afid ng Quezon City. Shout out daw sa Costa Skipper. Work sa yachts vessel. Mga kasamahan niya lahat doon ay India. Nag-iisa lang siya. Costa Skipper. Happy birthday kay Ken Mendoza, August 29. And Angeline Mansueto, August 30. From Lipa City, Ate LB and Nestor Hidalgo, shout out. From New York City, Michelle at ang anak niya na si Joshua from Dexter. Si Rhea Carpio, Cainta Rizal, Acer Regala ng Qatar. Belated happy birthday kay Shine Braga Sesbreño from Lolo. And this one, happy birthday August 25 kay Jeffrey Perez. And this one, the last one, natutuwa lang ako from Cold. Send our video to Kapuso Jessica Soho.
Thank you very much to sending our video, sharing.
Yeah, she's very famous, Jessica Soho.
Yes.
About our sharing of blessing. Yeah, from Shama's family friend. Thank you from Cold. Send our videos to Kapuso Miss Jessica Soho. Okay guys, thank you.
Thank you guys. Keep us watching us. Do subscribe us so we can reach to 50,000 subscribers.
Yeah, please.
Support us and like and share as much as you can.
Thank you. Bye-bye.